Hey, good morning everyone. This is Matt with Palm Beach Dents. Let's take a look at a BMW Z4 I'm working on today.
All right, let's take a quick look at the damage. It is underneath the fuel filler the car was backed into in its own driveway. I just have the fuel filler out to check for access behind there. You see the very edge is bent really hard too. Alright everyone, here's the final result on the BMW Z4. Came out great. The customer was very happy. If you would like to schedule repair for your vehicle, please give me a call at 561-662-0513. Thanks for watching.